Bunn recommends the three-step method for cleaning and sanitizing the server. The three-step method consists of 1. Hot soapy water using a mild, non-citric detergent. 2. A fresh water rinse. 3. An aqueous sanitizing solution using a non-chlorine sanitizer. Do not submerge the server. Failure to follow the recommended cleaning procedures can cause corrosion to the stainless steel surface and damage the vacuum seal. The use of any chlorinated product will void the factory warranty. Ensure the server is empty. Remove the lid. Fill server with approved multi-purpose cleaning detergent mixed with water to form a cleaning solution. Using a brush, scrub the interior of the server. Drain the cleaning solution from the server. Rinse server with fresh water. Drain server completely. Remove the faucet handle assembly by screwing the bonnet just beneath the faucet handle. Disassemble the faucet stem assembly and wash with the cleaning solution. With the nylon brush, scrub all parts. Rinse all parts with warm water. Allow all parts to soak in a sanitizer solution for at least 5 minutes. Then air dry completely. Be sure to clean the lid assembly. Rinse and allow to air dry. Using approved multi-purpose cleaning solution, scrub faucet spout and faucet shank with a brush supplied by the manufacturer. Then rinse. Reinstall faucet handle to the faucet shank. Hand tighten only. Remove sight gauge cap and pull the sight tube from the shroud. Contain small parts. Do not lose the washers or seals. Using a small bristle brush with cleaning solution, scrub the inside of the tube. Repeat with sanitizing solution. Rinse and allow to air dry. Install seals into the tube before placing into the sight gauge shroud. Rinse server with fresh water. Drain server completely. Clean the outside surface of the server using a clean, soft, non-abrasive cloth dampened with any mild non-citric detergent.